Tiantai Beer Equipment Company Limited, a well-recognized supplier of beer and beverage equipment industry based in Jinan City of China, provides complete line and the turnkey service for breweries and beverage project worldwide, providing the turnkey beer brewing system. Our products mainly include the malt milling line, brewhouse, beer fermenter, bright tank, cooling unit, control system, beer filling line. Tiantai Company supplies all-round service for brewery, including drawing and layout, transportation, installation, and training. Shandong Tiantai Brewing Equipment Company Limited has advanced production processing facility and testing. Equipment covers the automatic decoiler, laser cutting machine, automatic welding machine, polishing machine, CNC tube bending machine, pressure detection bench, RA precision detector. These facilities ensure high quality and stability of our brewery equipment. Compliance to ISO 9001 management standard. Tiantai Company passes CE, PED certifications, low voltage and pressure equipment, EAC certifications, and has obtained more than 20 patent certifications. With our continuous efforts and improvements, so far we have exported our brewery equipment to more than 1,500 breweries from over 80 countries, including USA, Canada, South Korea, Japan.